Alright guys, can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. Let's wait till more people join the stream. And like I said, if you have any questions that you want to ask, you have any analysis that you want me to do, you can put that in the comment section. If you have any questions, you can put that in the comment section. I haven't streamed in a while. I'm giving you guys the opportunity to put your peers there, whatever peer you want me to do analysis on, a Forex peer, crypto peer, gold peers. Just put that in the comment section. If you have any questions about the system, if you have any questions about the software, put that in the comment section. We will do the analysis. We will talk about the trades that we're doing right now, and we will do analysis on also other peers that you don't mention. But first of all, let's wait till more and more people join the live stream. I know that a lot of people would have I know a lot of people may not comment because it's been a while since I let the comment section open. But right now, if you're in the stream and you know that you can comment, you can simply just put the comment section there, ask whatever you want to ask, and we'll get started. But let's wait till maybe like let's see, let's wait till 5 more minutes and we will see how many more people join the live stream. Okay, so someone is asking Biafra blogs, hello, good morning. You said one thing I want to beg you is give me 50% discount on the blogs on the course. Okay, Biafra blogs, I can give you 20% discount. Use this discount code that I'm about to put in the comment section. Okay, it's called 3414. Use that discount code, you get 20% off. Gioni Diosdado, sorry, I hope I didn't butcher your name. You said hello, good evening. Okay, it's morning here. You said, can I do analysis on gbpjpy? Okay, I'll do analysis on gbpjpy. Who else is there? It's morning, so you must be from the US. Or why do you say good evening? So let's see, where are you from and how did you find my live stream? How did you find my channel in the first place? Let's just wait and wait and wait, not that long, but we'll wait for like a few more minutes. You're in Mexico. Okay, that's good to hear. How did you find my live stream? We'll wait for like 4 or 5 more minutes for more people to join the live stream so more people can ask questions. And yeah, any other pair you want free analysis on, let me know. I will also talk about this trade that I'm currently on. We'll look at it. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. I bought from somewhere around here. The market has gone all the way up here. Okay, so let's see. So what I'll do is just I'll put my trade at break even. Hope you guys can see. Oh, you know what, let's just wait till more people join the live stream before I start taking action on my trades. Let's see. Let's give it 3 to 5 more minutes. Okay, we'll give it 3 to 5 more minutes till more people join the stream. Okay, you say I already gave you 20% discount before, but I still couldn't come up with money because it's in pounds and not USD. Well, there's nothing I can do. Pounds and USD is not that different. If you say it's in pounds and USD, it's probably just a $20 or $50 difference. It's not that big. I've given you discount and the course is already on a discount. Okay, you said you found my channel by luck. You were looking for Forex education. Well, you found someone trading live, which is even better. Yeah, okay, let's wait and wait. Let's see, 3 more minutes, 5 more minutes, and let me put this chart back in the 15. Or let's leave it here and wait till more people join, then I'll get into why I took this trade, and then we'll start doing analysis on other pairs. Okay. it seems that we have more people in the stream. So let's just get started with it. You can just send me a private message, and before we get started, okay, yeah. So let's focus on what we actually came here to do. More people are joining the stream. We're here to make money at the end of the day. Are you up? Are you making profits? If not, put your analysis down there. Let's go back into the live trades and see what is happening. So I entered this trade somewhere around here, and what I'll be doing is I'll just be putting my break even. Okay, I'll just be putting it at break even. So right now in this trade, I have locked my trade. I'm trading with no risk in the market, and I'm up in profit. Let me take this back to the 15 minutes time frame, and so we can focus on, let's see, what are we going to focus on? We'll focus on the pairs that we want to do analysis on. Someone put down GBP/USD, so we will start with that, or we'll start with whatever we see on the screen. So let me just change the screen. Let's see, let's hide this. Okay, so we can see the screen clearly when we are doing analysis. Let's move this here. Yes, sir. And so we can focus on why we're actually here, to make money. So let's go to our chart. Where are we? Where's my chart? Where's my chart? Okay. All right. Hope you guys can see the chart. Okay, so let's get right into it. What pair are we looking at? What pair are we looking at? So Euro USD. Let's start with Euro USD. Okay, my bias for Euro USD is still down. However, it's consolidating at this one price right here, because euro and dollar are fighting for who is more dominant. Okay, euro and dollar are fighting for who is more dominant right now. I just have a fundamental view on it. I don't really have like a technical bias, but I expect it to go all the way down. If we see euros coming back all the way up here, okay, we may see a small sign. Like I said, I've said it before, I said this analysis already before. We should expect euro to come all the way down and touch this place, and when it touches this place, it can pull all the way back down here, all the way back up here. We did this analysis a while ago. Let me just add this stream to the analysis playlist, because usually when I stream, if I have a stream that I do analysis in, I like to put it in the playlist. So I'll just put this in the free analysis playlist so that we can have a recollection. So if you recall, because we did this Euro USD analysis before, and we already said what was going to happen here, pull all the way back to this point, and then we should start seeing a downward movement. Okay, this downward movement is what I expected to happen all the way down here and touch this, but it didn't come to this price, push back again. So what I'm expecting is another downward push all the way down here. Let's see. If the price, however, starts going above 1.05, 1.005, I want to see, is it going to break 1.010? If it does, then that means the euro has gained back dominance, and I'm expected to just keep on going all the way up. However, I expect the dollar to keep on gaining dominance and come all the way down back to 0.99. Okay, once it gets up to 0.99, The next target I would expect from it is 0.985, because it doesn't come all the way down here, so it's going to target that price aggressively. Okay, and from today, where do I expect the market to go? There are two possibilities. Either it goes above this point, or it goes at least to 0.995 for today. At least to 0.995. It's going to touch this price, or it's going to touch this price above here. Today is Thursday, so it has a lot of time. We can still see it making a move. If it doesn't get there, we have Friday for it to be able to get there. So let's move on to the second pair that what was his name? I can't remember your name. You asked for, but let me just get straight to it. And that was GBP USD. Okay, are you guys in any live trades right now at the moment? Because usually when people ask me for free analysis, they're either in a live trade, you know, and they are in a bad trade, or they are stuck somewhere. Okay, and they are trying to look for someone to tell them an analysis that is something they are usually hoping for, because they are in a bad trade. So they are looking for someone to tell them something positive. All right, so this is gonna take like maybe 2 minutes. Let me just set some things up before we get straight into it. Yeah, welcome, by the way, Joanny. You're welcome. Thank you. At the end of the day, we're all just here to make money. So let's not just forget about that, because a lot of people forget about the making money aspect of trading, and they just want to start acting like traders, being like traders, talking like traders. At the end of the day, are you making money from your trading? That's the point. I don't care what analysis you do. I don't care how clean your chart is. I don't care how good your chart is. If you can't make a single dime out of it, then what's the point? You're just wasting your time and deceiving yourself. So let's get straight into it. All right, where are we on GBP USD? Obviously, if you can see from this chart, it's so clear that my bias would be a short bias on GBP USD. Euro USD is still playing games, but GBP USD is as clear as day. But we should look at this aspect also. We don't want GBP USD to be going above the price of 1.7. Okay, I would see GBP USD coming all the way back to, let me see, it's having a pullback now. Maybe it will come all the way back to 1.650. okay, to induce traders to take buy trades. And once they have enough people taking buy trades, I would expect them to drop all the way down to at least 1.55. okay, just 1 minute. I want to check something quickly. Okay, I can see that in the Telegram group we're over 500 now. Let's just keep on pushing. Once we get to 1,000 members in the Telegram group, it will be more active. There will be more free analysis, more live session free analysis like this, where you can just come in and ask questions. And let's see what happens. Also, with the YouTube, I was supposed to do a giveaway at 16,000 subs, but it seems somebody tried to buy some subs just to make it go up, and then I removed those subs, and yeah, I'm not going to do a giveaway for that 16,000 because of that. So we have to wait till 17,000, and we're already halfway there. We're at around 16,500 subs. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe so that we can keep growing this, so we can get that 17,000 subs. And yeah, where are we? So let's look at other pairs. Let's look at you see how aggressive this is pushing up. It's trying to induce people like support and resistance traders. It fools them here, okay, it fools them here, it fools them here, and it's fooling them here again. What is going to happen is people are going to be trying to take buys, okay, because they are looking for the reversal trade. Every time they take a buy, every time the market aggressively moves, okay, it induces them to take buys, and then it moves so fast that they cannot come out of their trade. Okay, it hits their stop loss just a bit, or some of them that remove their stop loss, they will think that they are getting lucky, and it induces them to take buys again, and then aggressively shoots down to tear their stop losses into pieces and put them in drawdown, and it will not get back to your position, so that you cannot come out of your loss in your trade. That's just what it's going to keep on doing all the way down. So let's look at it. Let's go to one of my favorite pairs, which is USDJPY. Then after we'll go to USDCHF, and then after we will go to probably gold, then AUDJPY and AUDUSD and USDCHF. I think I mentioned USDCHF already. So what are we looking at right now? What are we looking at right now? We are looking at USDJPY. USDJPY, my bias obviously is buy. I'm obviously in a live trade, taking a buy. So let's look at that live trade. It seems that we're in a bit of a drawdown. Let's look at the live trade. Where is the live trade? Okay, so you can see my live trade on USDJPY. We are having some kind of a drawdown, but before I digress, let's go back into our analysis. So with USDJPY, what I would look at is trying to induce people to take sells. Okay, it has given them the best opportunity, giving them pins and everything. I would expect it to drop all the way to 139.05, or a maximum of around, let's see, 138.5. okay, because if you put it like this, if you go to the daily time frame, which some people will put it there and think they are smart, oh, I'm trading the daily time frame, so I must be very smart, I must be on the big time frame, so I know everything. Nope. Once it gets all the way down, it's going to look like a bearish hammer. Okay, so this is going to give people more confidence to take sell trades. Okay, if you remove this arrow like this, it's giving people a lot of confidence, especially on the daily time frame, to take sells, because they will say, oh, it has some kind of resistance here or some kind of rejection. But what I expect to happen, okay, because I have common sense, and I'm not saying that it's 100% going to happen, anything can happen in the markets, but what I expect to happen is it's inducing people to take sell trades, dumb money traders. Okay, they'll take sell trades. It's going to drop all the way down to 138.75, around there, or drop down all the way to 139, and then once it has achieved enough people to take sales, it is going to go all the way to a minimum of 140. Okay, minimum, at least before the end of today, of 140. Okay, and this is what I expect. It's going to go to a minimum of 140. Okay, at least before the end of the day. Okay, so let's see what pair are we going into next. Let's look at the question I asked. Did you make profit this week? 63%, 27 people have voted so far. The poll hasn't been up that long. It's been up about 20 minutes. 27 people have voted, and out of those 27 people, I said, did you make profits this week? Today is Thursday, the 1st of September, and 37% said yes. Okay, hopefully they can keep on making profits and not lose everything, and 64% said no. Oof. Wow. Well, you guys should stop gambling in the markets. But I don't know, people prefer to gamble their own money. I just don't know. You can't outsmart the markets, but there are so many top money mentors out there who are not even trading, who cannot even trade up to 1,000, who are not able to teach you with a $500 account, you know, and they tell you, oh, have confidence in your trade. How do you have confidence in your trade when you don't have consistency? You gain confidence when you see something work. Your mentor is not showing you its work. You cannot show yourself it works. So it's just a cycle of madness. But it's not you guys' fault. It's because, you know, that's majority of what is out there. This is why I live stream my trades, to show people that, you know, there are people who trade live, there are people who don't use stop loss, there are people who hedge their trades, there are people who don't use support and resistance who are successful, there are people who don't use indicators. You don't need all those nonsense to become successful in trading. Okay, other mentors tell you to use it because they are guessing and they want to confuse you, and they don't want you to, you know, they know that if they confuse you, you won't be able to understand what is going on, and you would think that you're the one at fault. Okay, the only problem you should be having in trading is your psychological problem. Learning to trade is not hard. Learning to trade should not be hard. Okay, you said you are part of the 67 who didn't make profits. Well, I told you to send me a private message on Telegram and WhatsApp. Okay, I told you to send me a private message on Telegram and WhatsApp, and I tagged you and I put the link there if you have questions like that. But let's move on. Oh yeah, so yeah, let's move on to the next pair that we're doing analysis on, and that would be, should I do gbpjpy? I don't really like doing GBP pairs. Should I do gbpjpy? Nah, I didn't say I'll do it. Let's just move on to gold. Okay, gold has been playing out exactly how I said it to play out weeks ago. So where are we? Okay, where are we? Gold isn't that hard. My bias is still short on gold, but let's see what is going to happen. Okay, I think gold is also going to induce people to take buy trades. It's going to be favorable for gold to do that. So if we see gold pulling all the way back, we should expect it to go to around maybe 1720. Okay, if it starts going above 1720, that is when, you know, I would start looking worried, and I would expect it to start going all the way up, even though that is not the bias I expect. Maximum I expect it to go to is 1720, but I still expect it to drop all the way down to 1700. If it doesn't go all the way to 1720, it can go all the way to 1710, okay, and drop all the way down to 1690. Okay, so then we'll start seeing gold going all the way below 1700, because that is its goal actually. Okay, the goal is for gold is to start going below 1700. The moment it starts going below 1700, it may push back aggressively, but right now its main goal is to go below 1700. So we should start expecting it to see it around those prices of 1690. So with that being said, we've gone 30 minutes into the trade. Before we move on into AED USD, USD CHF, and AED JPY, I'll take a break, and we'll be right back. I'll be right back in about 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes tops. guys, I am back. Okay. Hello, Carlos Felipe. Where are you from and how did you find my channel? Thank you for subscribing to Tumasi Sapong. I have no idea. Are you South African? Are you from Singapore? Tumasi sounds Southern African, you know. Oh, I didn't even know you guys couldn't see the chart well. I'll just move it forward a bit more. Okay. If you can't see the chart well next time, let me know. Carlos Felipe, we just spoke about USDJPY, but I'll show you again. Currently, let's leave this chart. I'm on a trade on USDJPY. I'm on a trade on USDJPY. Okay, let me go to the 1 hour time frame. I bought around somewhere around here. Okay, today the market pushed all the way up. It was kind of consolidating yesterday. I was in a Euro USD sell trade, but you know, it went and hit my break even, so I looked for this USDJPY. I took the buy because that was my bias, you know, with my software and everything, did all the analysis, and that was my bias. The next day it went all the way up, kind of an aggressive, because this is the daily time frame, it was kind of an aggressive move. And yeah, I took a buy. So this morning I put my trade at break even, so I'm trading the market risk free. Okay, when it makes us some more profit, I expect to just take some part of the profit out of the market and just let the rest to continue to run. So now, okay, you said you're from Ghana. Okay, nice to meet you. Also, Carlos Felipe, where are you from? You look, your name sounds Spanish, Italian. Maybe you are from Brazil, not Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, maybe Southern American country, or Italy or Spain. Those are the options that I'm thinking. Okay, anyway, correct me if I'm wrong, and I hope I didn't butcher your name also. Same thing with Tumasi. Okay, now, okay, you say you're from Ghana. Okay, so Tumasi Sapong. Let me know if I try. Let me know if I try. But anyway, yeah, so let's go into the analysis. So where are we? Good morning, Francis. We have a session today, Francis. So remember, we will have it around New York session. Send me a message on WhatsApp, you know, buzz me some hours before. Okay, yeah, so let's go back, Carlos Felipe, and also if you want, then we'll do analysis together, don't worry anyway. Let's see, where are we? Oh yeah, Carlos Felipe was talking about USDJPY. So yeah, I've returned this chart back. Okay, let me just take it back to 15 minutes time frame, because that's what I usually stream on. So back to 15 minutes time frame. You're welcome. So my software is not a robot. It doesn't take manual trades for you. Okay, it does the analysis and you take your trades manually. Chumasi. Okay, Chumasi. Makes sense when you say it. Makes sense, because when you type Chumasi and you put it with a TWU, yeah, when you say it. I had a Ghanaian. He was my classmate in high school. He was the best in football. He went to China. You know, I wish he became a footballer because he was that good, you know. But oh yeah, so let's get back to it. I'm losing focus, guys. Let's get back to the chart so we can look at the USDJPY again. I just did the analysis on gold, so yeah. So Where is USDJPY? USDJPY, I said my bias was long. Okay, that is my personal bias, and that is where I am favoring. Okay, the bias can always change at any point in time. Okay, never have a fixed bias, but currently, right now, what I would expect from USDJPY now, because what I see is that the market is obviously trying to fool traders into taking a sell position, because it will look at dumb money. What is dumb money thinking? Dumb money obviously is using support and resistance, and dumb money probably was trying to take advantage of the markets, because if you are using dumb money system, obviously you will say resistance, right? Resistance is here, so obviously it must reject here, right? Because this is what these price action traders do, and this support and resistance guys do. So they will expect you to drop all the way down. See, even weeks ago, I've already pointed that it's going up to at least 140. We did this weeks ago. I haven't done analysis in like almost 2 weeks. We've done this already. But anyway, before I digress, let's so it will look at dumb money, and obviously they'll paste their stop loss here, and it will tear and rip their stop loss into pieces, and then they'll be acting surprised, like they were not trying to gamble. You know, it rips their account into pieces, and then they will be acting shocked and surprised, you know, which is very annoying, because obviously dumb money system. And then they will expect the price to go all the way down here, because they are trying to take advantage of the market. Now what the market does is that once in a while the market lets you win so that you can keep on trading, because obviously if you keep losing, you're not going to keep trading. You have to have those little wins. Okay, so those ones who do not use their stop loss, they will enter into more sell positions. Okay, easy setup for the markets. Now what I'm saying is, I expect, you know, from this knowledge, my bias is still long. The market is already showing wicks, giving them more signs of things that they are looking for. If there was a Bollinger Band, you know that it would have been stretched the hell out, and they'll say, okay, it has gone too high. If there was an RSI, you know it has stretched out, they'll say it has gone too high. If there was a stochastic, they will say it has gone too high, that it must sell now. So yes, the markets will be induced to take sells, because smart money would have already started taking profits at these highs. That's what is actually creating these wicks. Okay, but some smart money will still be holding now, and because that's where the market is eventually going to, like I said weeks ago, at least 140. Now I'll show you how the market is going to get that 140. Pulls back all the way. I expect it to pull back all the way to a maximum of maybe 139, or maximum of, let me put it like this so it's easier to draw this. Maximum of 139 or 138.75, around that area, and then starts going. If it goes down to 139, okay, and starts going all the way up, it's going to at before the end of today at least get to 140. Okay, aiming for 140.5. So, or if it comes down to 138.75, obviously it will look like a bearish hammer. Okay, a bearish hammer, which will even give them more reasons to sell. So they'll be adding more sells to their already losing sell position. But anyway, and then before you know it, market points all the way down to 140. This is my bias, this is my analysis, and this is how I see it. Okay, thanks to my software, thanks to my system. I don't need any indicator to tell me this. I don't need any support and resistance. I already know I'm going to exit my trade by hedging. Okay, so let's get into the next here we want to do an analysis on. Okay, but before I get there, let me just put my links. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Okay, and if you want to learn more about the course, you want to learn more about the EA that does all the analysis, tells you when and where to buy, when and where to sell, when and where to exit your trades, when and where to hedge, market direction, etc. The highest, you know where to target, where to scalp, when to scalp, what lot sizes to use. Then you can go to the website nfxandcrypto.com. And if you want to have high leverage, okay, because at the end of the day, leverage is good for hedging. The more leverage you have, the easier it is to hedge. Proper hedging, not that nonsense martingale system. Proper hedging, you need leverage. There's a reason why the hedge funds have a lot of leverage, even though they say they are trying to protect you when they give you low leverage. It's not the people who have more money they should be trying to protect, but you know, leverage is good. You can't make money without having leverage. You can't make money without using leverage. So you can use the broker that I use, and also you can get a deposit bonus up to 100%, which you can use to make more capital. You can be logical about your trading, or you can be emotional, and you know, I'm just telling you how I grew my accounts. You take advantage of every advantage you have in the market. Oh yeah. And you can also follow me on Instagram. If you want to check live trading results for more than 1 year, verified results, you can also click the my FX here. And you can also message me on Telegram and on WhatsApp. The links are in the comment section. And let's see. Also you can join the Telegram group. Okay, there will be $1,000 giveaway once we reach 1,000 members there. We're already above that the halfway mark a bit, and yeah, soon, let's say in a month or 2 max, we'll get there and we'll do the giveaways. I'm sure by the end of this month, or guys, let's make sure by the end of this month we get to 17,000 subscribers or 18,000, and you can tell your friends to join the group, or your friends subscribe, and if they win, you know, share the money. Some people wouldn't have been able to see the analysis very well. I told you guys, if you can't see it well because of, you let me know. So yeah, I'll just do one last analysis, and we'll continue back to the normal stream. So what is it going to be? AUDJPY, USDCHF. Which pair should be the last pair I do analysis on this morning? Let's see. Okay, we'll do USDCHF. All right, clear as day. I would expect it to keep going up. Okay, simple. I'm just going to do a very quick analysis. I expect it to keep on going up. I expect the price to reach at least, yes, even though it looks like this now, this is the difference between smart money and dumb money. Okay, we are not fooled by the shenanigans of the markets. You guys are, because you guys are using dumb money system. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Boom. So at least, let's see, 0.9825 today. Okay, where it's actually targeting is 0.985. Okay, the market has to induce, like I said, same strategy is going to make you guys think there's resistance there. You guys are going to sell, you place your stop loss. Oh, I was in profit for a while, my profit always goes back into loss or break even. This is why, because they are inducing you, they are fooling you into taking dumb money trades, and you guys keep falling for it. Okay, Cool Me Here Channel says, hi new guy, hello bro, you're new, how did you find my channel, and thank you for subscribing. Also Imagine Creativity, thank you for subscribing. If you have any pair you want free analysis on, or you have any question, you can put that in the comment section. That USDCHF analysis was supposed to be in my last analysis, so if you have any pair you want the analysis on before I leave and let the trade keep running, We did analysis on gold, USDJPY, Euro USD, GBP to USD, what else? And USD CHF. Okay. So you are from Trinidad, and can you have the link for the Telegram WhatsApp? If you scroll up a bit, you can see I put the links there. If you can't see it, let me know. I'll put it again. Let me just put it. Okay, so yeah, that'll be the last pair I'll do analysis on. If you want to watch the analysis I did, we've been live for about 15 minutes. You can just rewind and yeah, go through all the analysis that we made. If you have any question, you can just put it in the comment section. You said, what's the best strategy around Forex? Scalping and hedging. Think about it. The hedge funds, what do they use? Forget about all these nonsense mentors. The hedge funds who are actually trading hundreds of millions and billions. If you just do a simple Google search, what time frames are they trading on? 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, seconds time frame. How are they exiting their trades? You think they are using a bullshit stop loss? If they use a nonsense stop loss, their stop losses are going to be like 200,000, 500,000. Do you really think they would be doing that? So they hedge their trades out. It's just a simple Google search. What is the best strategy to trade around Forex? I just explained. Scalping and hedging. That's what I do. You can check my videos. Sometimes I hold my trades like this, but I do it when I have a lot of things to do. Like I've been traveling a lot. When I'm done traveling a lot, around maybe November, December, I'll start uploading more scalp trades. If you want to check my other scalp trades, you can go to my channel. I have a lot of playlists there. You can see videos of my hedges. Let me just even put that in the comment section. I'll put the hedging playlist if you want to see videos of me hedging accounts, different accounts, even up to 80-90% drawdown. Let's see. So okay, there's even these accounts that I'm growing. I started with 50k. I'll put the playlist there. I also have an account that I started with $200. Let me see. Okay, I was scalping the account. Okay, so yeah, scalping small. $200. So that's the playlist for that, and for this my 50k that I started with, that's the playlist for that. So you can just start watching from the beginning all the way through. And finally, okay, the playlist for hedging accounts. Okay, hedging trades. Okay, no martingale nonsense system, actually proper leverage trading. Do you always analyze the market at the start, at the beginning? That's why you have to join the Telegram group. When you join the Telegram group, the videos that I post in the Telegram group, I'm doing analysis on it. Okay, so if you want to catch my analysis, well, it has to be at the, how do I put it, you probably just have to always wait till I post a video. But if you want to have it in your hand, you want to have your own independence, you want to always be able to get your analysis yourself, you want you can just get this course and get the software. The course will teach you how to use the software. The software will tell you when and when to buy, when and where to exit, when and where to sell, when and where to hedge, the market directions, and many more things, the targets, things like this. And you just come in and you just click buy or sell. Plain and simple. I don't need to spend 5 hours on my charts. 5 minutes is good enough, and I get my quick decisions. Okay, how to control. If you are having emotional problem, that means you are not using a good strategy. Okay, because if you are actually making profits, you will be more relaxed, right? Your head will be getting better, you are making withdrawals. If you are having bad emotions, that means you are losing. That means you are not using a good system. If you are using good, and you can lie to yourself all you want, if you are using a good system, your emotions get better. If you are using a bad system, your emotions get worse, because you don't know what is happening. So that one is your choice, whatever you want to believe. Well, the facts are the facts. You say because you just blew up your account last weekend. There are different reasons why you probably did that. Like I said, if you want to, what I do is I teach my students live. Okay, it's not just talking, it's not just trading view. Let's go back to the charts. You will see that you know, I teach my students live, and I make sure that they also have a live account that they're learning with also. Okay, so we're in a live environment, because when you're in a live environment, that's when you have your highest emotions. Okay, so yes, so if you want to learn, you can, and the course comes with the software that does the analysis also, so it's all up to you. Okay, so let's just look at this trade one more time. I already did the analysis of the trade, and what we were doing. I already said where I bought from. Where is it? I bought from somewhere around here. Okay, bought from somewhere around here. This morning the market pushed all the way up. I'm just holding my trades till we get into more and more profits. Okay, all right. And remember, you guys can also ask, can also do super chats, so don't act shy. Please, should we buy yet? It's too late. It's too late. It's too late, Amanda. I already bought yesterday. I don't know what you want to do, unless you want to take a gamble. That's why you have to get the course. That's why you have to get the course. When you get the course, it comes with the software. The software does all the analysis. You have it at you should not be trying to be dependent on another person, because that person is only going to give you trades and analysis when they feel like. If you have the software, you have power. You have it. You are in your own control. You have it in your own control. You can check, and you could have checked the analysis 3 days ago on your own with the software, on your own. The main goal is to be independent. I don't want you to be dependent on me, because that means you'll be taking time from me. And you don't want to be dependent on me, because you want to always be in control. You want to always know what is going on at your own convenience at any time. It is favorable for both of us if you are independent and I am independent. So I encourage this. This is why I make the system simple. Learning to use the system is very easy, very fast. I don't need a complicated system. Life is already too, why would I now make a complicated system? But before I leave this trade to continue to stream, like I said, you can remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, you want to buy the course, you can go to nfxandcrypto.com. You can also see and read. You can click each course and read specifically what it offers. It's mostly about how much time you spend with me. You can use the same broker I use. I put the link in the description below. And you can also follow me on Instagram. And also, if you want to see like almost 2 years of live trade results, verified live trade results, you can click the link for my FX book there. And you can also message me on Telegram. I'll put the link there. And you can also message me on WhatsApp. You can just click the link, whatever you want, and it will immediately pop up as either Telegram or WhatsApp. And you can remember to join the free Telegram group. When I do analysis like this, I will drop the video in the group. Hello, Salem Z. You're kind of too late. I'm already about to end the analysis period, but if you have any last minute questions, you can just quickly put that in the comment section. Are you selling ED? What is ED? What is ED? Or do you mean, do I have an education? if that's what you mean, I'll just put that in the comments. I'll just put the link there. And yeah, because I want to end this live analysis and leave the trade to continue to run. Okay, if anyone wants to watch the analysis, we've been doing analysis for about an hour. You can just rewind, and I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe and enjoy the stream.